Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Ford Mondeo Ambient wagon, stock clearance number 5571. This shape runs from the 9th month 2014 through to the 6th month 2020. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder Duratorq turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre Duratorq 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage. Right front door has 3 small dents. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated control, sat nav, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and a 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.